Hello students, today I will tell you a question which is in context with quantum mechanics and came in JNU 2018. Question is, a particle in one dimension is given to be in the quantum state psi function of x equal to exponential a plus iota b into x minus x square over 2, where a and b are real valued constants. What are the position and momentum expectation values of particle in this very quantum state? Student, psi is complex wave function and you know psi star is complex conjugate wave function, and we are to work out expectation value or mean value of x. X, this is symbol of expectation value of x, which is defined to be equal to integral complex conjugate wave function x psi dx and limits running from minus infinity to infinity. What shall I do? Psi star means complex conjugate. How to find complex conjugate? Simply replace iota by minus iota. So this is complex conjugate wave function. And this is x and psi I have written. Dx is variable of integration. So simplification will give rise to integration x, and this is e raised to power 2ax and half x square is x square, and e to power minus iota bx, e to power iota bx, they will annul with each other. So this is, इसको हम complete perfect square बनाएंगे. तो this is integral minus infinity to infinity x exponential minus. So for in order to make complete square, what shall I do? I will add a square and subtract a square. So this can be written as like this. So this minus e to power positive. So e to power a square dx. This is constant pulled outside the integration. Now I am to work out this integration. Let me label this as symbol capital I. Capital I is equal to this. So please note that e to power minus x square is even function, but e to power minus bracket x minus a whole square is not even function. So in order to evaluate this very integration, insert x minus a equal to little t. Therefore x equal to small t plus a, dx equal to dt. Limits will remain the same. I have changed variable of integration from x to t. So integration in place of x I have written this, e to power minus or x minus a के place पे t square और dx is dt. So bracket open किया, these two terms will come. Now t is odd function, e to power minus t square is even function. Odd function into even function is odd function. And we know very well, very important property, integration of odd function within limit minus infinity to infinity is 0. So you need not to evaluate, straightforward use that property. Plus little a integral e to power minus t square dt within limit t runs from minus infinity to t equal to plus infinity. And this is very important property of gamma function. You know this value and you should remember its value. This is very popular integral and its value is root pi. So therefore expectation value of x का जो आंसर है वो क्या आ जाएगा? इस i की वैल्यू को जो मैंने सेपरेटली इवेल्युएट किया, I substituted back. Therefore average value of x or mean value of x or expectation value of x is equal to e to power a square, and this I which I have evaluated, I have just incorporated a root pi. So this is answer of expectation value of x. So in this question, examiner has asked me two parts, expectation value of x, which I have done. Now I am going to work out expectation value of momentum operator. So p is momentum operator, एवरेज वैल्यू ऑफ टी इज इक्वल टू ये साइज का कम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट और ये कम्प्लेक्स फंक्शन दोनों के बीच में पी को सैंडविच किया, ये डी एक्स. सो साइज स्टार मीन कम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, कम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट मीन यू रिप्लेस आयोटा बाई माइनस आयोटा. पी मोमेंटम ऑपरेटर इन क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑपरेटर, माइनस आयोटा एच क्रॉस या एच कट या एच बार. एच क्रॉस इज reduced Planck constant dy dx. So this is minus iota h cross p in place of p minus iota h cross dy dx. dy dx acting on psi, तो psi का differentiate first order derivative ये वैसे, फिर इसका derivative क्या, and this is dx. Then simplification will give rise to these two terms. You can open the bracket and you will find. Now minus iota h bar into a plus iota b, this is constant pulled outside the integral. plus similarly this negative, yani two negative make one positive, I attach bar constant pulled outside. Now these two integrations are to be evaluated. This I have already said. This is expectation value of x, which you need not to work out again. You can use that result directly. Now I am to simplify this integral. So for that I have separately written integral e to the power 2x minus x square dx within limit minus infinity to infinity. Again minus common, and then do complete square by adding a square and subtracting a square. So we shall get this minus minus plus. So this is e to the power a square is constant, so pulled outside. This integration you know very well. दिस इज इवन फंक्शन, गामा फंक्शन की हेल्प से इसको हम क्या लिखते थे, रूट पाई. सो बस लास्ट में ये जो इक्वेशन नंबर 1 में हम इस इंटीग्रेशन की वैल्यू जो मैंने सेपरेटली इवेल्युएट की उसको हम यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. देयरफॉर एवरेज वैल्यू पी इज माइनस आयोटा एच पर ही, एंड दिस इंटीग्रेशन आई हैव सेपरेटली इवेल्युएटेड ई पर ए के रूट पाई. और ये आयोटा, यू नो आयोटा इज रूट माइनस 1, आयोटा स्क्वायर इज माइनस 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 प्लस, तो वी लिटिल एच बार, and this integration I have evaluated, that I have done substitution, plus iota h bar, and average value of x, which first part average value of x is e to the power a square a root pi. Now three term, first term and third time, they will balance each other, neutralize each other. So this is answer of average value of p. So thank you so much student. JNU 2018 quantum mechanics question. Thank you so much.